too late for that.
Go on, Connor. Well tracked, mate. There we go, you got it right. What?
Okay, well.
Simon, stop chatting back. He's the rep.
Did you learn that the hard way last year?
I did learn that the hard way. I don't listen to my own rule either.
Yeah.
Do as I say, not as I do.
Well played. Attack it. Attack it. Well in, lads. That's it, Connor. Make a run, lads. Make a move.
Oh.
Come on, come in. Keep up, keeps. Craig! Look at Craig! Look at Craig! Dan! Take it out on their plays, not the rest. On their plays. Dan! Fucking shit. Dan! Dan! On their players, not the rest. Yeah. Who's wide? Wide man. Channel it, Dan. Have it, man. Yeah, channel it, mate. Come on. Big head. Well in. Here you go, Connor. Get there!
Oh.
Get there! Come on! Guys, back yourself. Yeah? That's great. Simon, that's fantastic. So we'll come back. Who's defence? That's not double. Let's make some movement.
Oh.
Well done, mate. Go. Hey! Corner. There we go. That's it. Just keep the pressure up. Keep the pressure up, lads. Movement.
Everything that was happening was in front of you. How were you looking the other way? Craig, get back!
Come on, Connor! Behind you! Well played, Connor. Get there, Craig, get there.
Oh.
God. Right idea. Connor, that was fantastic, mate. Get her again, Craig! Second ball. There you go. It's got his talk. Right, lads.
Sorry.
Talk, lads. Go on, Scotty's there. Scotty, that's you. To it. You're right, Scotty. Looking at each other.
I'm fine.
You're in. Scott, you've got to fill in that middle a little bit. There we go. Drop in! Somebody drop in! Well done!
Woo!
Come on!
Oh!
Head!
The Could that count as a... Wait, was that a goal? Did your window open up?
Also, the referee is so stupid. He didn't even give you a red card. He doesn't know the rules.
Guys, just to yourselves, please. Oh no.
Make sure you follow it in, lads. Simon on your toes.
Go, Lick!
You forgot about it.
Yeah! Oh! Come on.
Smiling!
Nearly. Go on, lads.
Boys! Heads up! We've been a better team, come on!
1-1.
Wait, this is the second half, right?
Heads up, lads! Heads up!
You handballed the ball, yeah?
Say again.
You handballed the ball,
Yeah.
right? Normally I would set you off, you won't play, so you don't come back again, yeah? Are you understand?
Alright,
The
cool.
laws of the game quite simple. You should have sent you off and you've been down to 5 men. But what I'm saying, you don't come back again. Okay?
Yeah, that's cool.
Thank you.
Which would be nice. You take it all back, Hannah. Keeps.
Yeah, but they're in my car.
You ain't running, mate!
Well done. Track inside, track in. Come on. Here we go.
Get there, Connor! Put the pressure on!
Come on, Simon. Let it run, let it run. Let it go, boys.
No. Come on, lads. Let's push through now. They're marking us, lads. We should have options.
Connor, touch tight, touch tight. Now run off him, run off him!
You got Connor on the right!
You got Connor!
Connor on the right! Look at Connor!
He needs to support, lads.
Who's supporting him?
Boys, we need to be braver with the ball. Someone has to support him there. Go for it, movement, look out! No! I'll play that. Connor's with you, Connor's with you.
Here we go, you got Simon, you got Connor ahead of you.
Good ball. Just keep it. Boys, sometimes the simple thing is the right thing.
Keeper, look, far right.
Show for the ball, boys! No, we don't. I'm an idiot.
Yeah, but
We have like...
you have 2 subs, don't you?
Yeah, we have to play before the game. These greens now know which of us plays because we haven't subbed on.
This is the same ref that so, and also didn't break the red card.
Go on, Simon.
Well done, Scotty.
Give him a
Well done, Scotty. Let's get there, Scott. Well played.
Go on, Connor.
Look at the return, look at the return. Tap that in.
Oh!
It's over now, gotta get it. Boys,
Heads back up. Let's just go again.
Energy, guys. One.
Come on, he's not got that big arms. Go to him.
Yep. Well, someone has to. What?
Play him inside, play him inside. Look at Connor, yes. Now look at Luke, look at Luke, look at Luke! Boys, there's simple balls on.
Come back, come back, come back. There you go, you got that.
Oh.
Come on boys, heads up.
Whistle's not blown.
Scotty, Scotty. Simon.
Come.
Simon.
Simon's the squad.
Simon. Right.
Fucking hell, that!
Oh, wow.
Alright, Ben. Back up, Mac.
Guys, if you could just like...
Go on, Scotty, that's yours, mate.
Oh.
Keeper, take it.
That's your free kick, sorry.
Bit of movement, boys, by a yard of space.
Where you are? Go on,
Come on, Dan,
get that down.
Get there.
Get that down.
Keep going, mate.
Go on. There we go.
Oh.
Oh, the fucking fouls you call it. Unbelievable. Can't win when you buy the ref. Fuck me.
Who's getting the ball? Adrian can't even run and you're not getting the ball. What the fuck is going on right now?
Head up. Head up. Come on, Simon.
Yeah,
Hey.
Right, pick your heads up then, boys. Use that.
Come on. Just one goal.
Exactly, one effort, one movement.
Lad, heads up now. Fight for this. How long's left, Ray?
Like a minute max.
2 minutes.
2 minutes, okay.
Connor.
2 minutes sprint, lads. 2 minutes sprint. Guys, push up. We got nothing to lose.
Luke's made. Yes, well played.
Yeah, but it's not something. There we go.
Keep it up! 2 minute sprint! 2 minute sprint!
There we go.
Bit of time, Scott.
Oh,
Scotty slip.
What? Come on.
what?
Come on, come back.
Simple. No, we're just dead.
Yeah.
Lads, let's break!
Everyone's just really angry.
Big clearance! Big clearance! Come on, Lucas.
Two of you at one ball.
Come.
Lads, keep your heads on now. It's effort now. It's effort now, lads. It's alright, keep up.